Hey there, Cameron here from Winjet Automotive. Today we're going to be removing the OEM taillights from this 2018-2020 Ford Mustang and giving it an upgrade by installing our new Renegade Series taillights from Winjet Automotive. For this install, you'll need a 10mm socket attachment and a wedge tool. Let's get started. First, let's open the trunk and locate the 4 knobs securing the plastic trunk cover. There's 2 on each side. You can remove by unscrewing by hand. Once those are removed, the plastic cover can be popped out. Now that the plastic cover is removed, grab your wedge tool and locate the 2 tension clips securing the felt sides. Remove them. Next, locate the 3 support nuts that are securing the light in place. Grab your 10mm socket attachment and remove the support nuts. There are 2 that are easily seen. The third is behind the felt cover. After removing the first 2 nuts, pull back the felt cover to reveal the third support nut. Remove as well. Once those are unscrewed, the light will be free to remove. To disconnect the light, first locate the rubber sealing plug and remove. Then, looking back inside the trunk, you'll see the power connector. Disconnect the power connector to free the light. Remove the light. It's now time to install our new taillight. Feed the power connector through the hole and seal the hole with the new sealing plug. Next, feed the light into place and hand tighten all 3 backing nuts. Reconnect the power harness. Now grab your 10mm socket attachment and fully secure the backing nuts. The last step is to replace the plastic trunk cover. Lift the spare tire cover to slide back into position. Replace the plastic support knobs. Next, replace the plastic tension clips and secure both sides of the felt cover. Now you're free to pull the plastic protection to reveal your new taillights. Congrats on your new Renegade Series taillights from Winjet Automotive. These lights come in two different colors, gloss black clear and gloss black smoke. If you like this step-by-step video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more product install videos and new future products. Thanks for checking in here at Winjet. We'll see you next time.